Amazon Zoox Robotaxi. Amazon's Zoox Robotaxi is set to revolutionize urban transportation with its autonomous and fully electric design. This game-changing vehicle can drive in both directions, thanks to its four-wheel steering, making it ideal for navigating the tight streets of a busy city. The Robotaxi is equipped with advanced sensors, including cameras, radar, and lidar, providing a 270-degree field of view to enhance safety. Inside, the spacious cabin is designed for comfort and social interaction, seating 4 passengers who face each other. With a top speed of 75 miles per hour and a battery that lasts all day, Zoox's Robotaxi ensures a seamless and efficient travel experience. While the pricing hasn't been announced yet, this Robotaxi represents a significant leap towards the future of autonomous urban mobility. Citroën Mobility Vision. Citroën's mobility vision is reshaping urban transportation by prioritizing comfort, customization, and accessibility. The concept is built around 2 main elements: the Citroën Skate and its interchangeable pods. The Citroën Skate is an electric, autonomous platform designed to glide smoothly through dedicated city lanes. Equipped with advanced sensors and safety features, it ensures a secure and reliable ride. The real innovation lies in the pods, which provide tailored experiences. For example, the Soleolico and Voyage pod offers a relaxing mobile spa, while the Power Fitness pod lets you work out while traveling. There's also the JC2 City Provider pod, which turns into a mobile workspace. This modular system encourages shared mobility, reducing the reliance on personal cars and helping improve traffic flow. Citroën's vision presents a future where urban travel is not only efficient, but also enjoyable and adaptable to individual needs. E1 Electric Raceboat. The E1 Electric Raceboat is the premier vessel in the UIM E1 World Electric Powerboat Series, the first electric hydrofoil racing series. Designed by Seabird Technologies in collaboration with SailGP, this raceboat, known as the Racebird, is a cutting-edge creation. Built from carbon fiber and weighing just 800 kilograms, the Racebird can reach impressive speeds of up to 50 knots. This makes it a true marvel in electric motorsport. The E1 series offers exciting competition, with up to 12 teams racing in a variety of locations. These include European ports and even remote spots around the world. Each race weekend is packed with action, featuring test sessions, qualifying rounds, and intense knockout races that all lead to a thrilling final showdown. With a strong focus on climate awareness, the series draws attention to the effects of climate change on our aquatic environments. The Racebird's battery-powered engines and advanced energy management strategies bring a strategic edge to the high-speed competition, making this event truly groundbreaking in the world of motorsports. Eunorau Flash. Priced at $1,960, the Eunorau Flash is a versatile, long-range electric bike that excels in both urban commuting and off-road adventures. It's powered by a 52-volt, 1,000-watt mid-drive motor, which offers incredible 220 Nm of torque. This gives you smooth, powerful acceleration. If you want even more power, there's an optional dual motor setup that boosts output to 1,500 watts, letting the bike reach a top speed of 32 km per hour. Whether you're commuting or heading off the beaten path, the Eunorau Flash handles it all with ease. Its 52-volt, 16-amp-hour battery provides an impressive range of up to 354 kilometers on a single charge. This makes it perfect for long-distance rides, so you won't have to worry about running out of power. The bike's aluminum alloy frame is tough and durable, supporting a payload of up to 200 kilograms. It's designed to accommodate riders of all sizes, from 5 feet 2 inches to 6 feet 4 inches. For added stability, the bike comes with 20 by 4-inch CST tires, giving you grip and control on various terrains. The hydraulic disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power, keeping you safe on your rides. With the 8-speed Shimano thumb shifter and 5 levels of pedal assist, you can easily adjust your riding style for any situation. Whether you prefer a laid-back cruise or need extra power on hills, this bike adapts to your needs. In short, the Eunorau Flash is an excellent choice for adventure enthusiasts looking for performance, range, and versatility in one package. Lazzarini Pyramid. The Lazzarini Pyramid is an innovative floating structure designed by Pier Paolo Lazzarini, blending elements from both Mayan and Japanese temples. The vision behind this project is to create a self-sustaining floating city that requires no external support. Each pyramid stands 10 stories high, rising 30 meters above sea level. It rests on a large floating base measuring 3,000 square meters. To ensure sustainability, the design integrates solar panels, water turbines, and desalination systems, making it an environmentally friendly and efficient structure. The framework is built using fiberglass, carbon, and steel, offering both durability and sustainability. For those interested in experiencing this floating city, the estimated price for the first luxury hotel suite is around £36,900 or about $22,600. Potential guests can also reserve a night in the floating hotel for approximately $877 to $1,200 through a crowdfunding campaign. This project beautifully merges modern technology with ancient architectural styles, creating a one-of-a-kind living experience. The Lazzarini Pyramid aims to redefine sustainable living and urban development, offering a new perspective on how we can live and thrive on water. Flying tent. Modern tents are built for versatility, and the flying tent is a perfect example of that. It's not just a tent, it's a multifunctional outdoor shelter that offers different uses depending on your needs. Created by Campfire Outdoors GmbH, the flying tent can function as a hammock with insect protection, a regular tent, or even a rain poncho. You can set it up on the ground like a normal tent or suspended in the air between trees or even between vehicles. Weighing around 4 pounds, it's compact and easy to carry. You can use it as a one-person bivy tent, a floating tent suspended between trees, or as a rain poncho when the weather turns bad. Its adaptable design appeals to campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts who value gear that can handle different situations. Setting up the flying tent is quick and easy, thanks to its pop-up design. It only takes about 7 seconds to assemble. It also comes with a removable mosquito net for bug protection and a rainfly to keep you dry during wet weather. After its launch, the flying tent gained widespread attention for its innovative design. A successful Kickstarter campaign in 2016 raised over $500,000, and the tent went on to win the ISPO Brand New Award in 2017. The tent's flexible design lets you suspend it between trees or place it on the ground, giving you options for different terrains. Pricing for the flying tent ranges from $400 to $550, depending on the model. Monowheel EV360. A group of engineering students from Duke University has developed the EV360, a cutting-edge electric monowheel motorcycle. This unique vehicle is all about speed and innovation, reaching impressive speeds of over 70 miles per hour. At the heart of the EV360 is an 11 kilowatts continuous motor, capable of delivering a peak output of 23 kilowatts. It's powered by a 72-volt, 22Ah lithium polymer battery, making it a powerful yet short-range ride. While its top range is only around 9 miles at 20 miles per hour, the EV360 is designed for thrills rather than long-distance journeys. Its primary focus is on performance and speed. This monowheel motorcycle is not aimed at the mass market. With specialized components and a unique structure, it's clear that the EV360 is built for niche enthusiasts and those chasing new speed records. In fact, the student team is hoping to break the world record for the fastest monowheel motorcycle. BYD Dissus. Meet the Yangwang U8, a revolutionary car powered by 4 electric motors, producing a combined 1,287 horsepower. But it's not just the power that stands out, it's the BYD Dissus system, enabling the car to jump and even dance. The U8 features scissor doors that resemble those of a Lamborghini. It also comes equipped with the DSP Smart Hydraulic Body Control System, working in tandem with Dissus A, an intelligent pneumatic system for managing air elements, and DC adaptive shock absorbers that control each wheel independently. Still not convinced? Take a look at the Yangwang U9, which manages to accelerate like a hypercar, even with only 3 wheels. BYD has truly redefined the possibilities with this innovative technology. For those unfamiliar, the BYD Dissus system is a groundbreaking vehicle body control technology designed to boost both safety and performance in new energy vehicles. The system consists of three main components. 1. DSC, Intelligent Damping Control. 2. DSS-A, Intelligent Air Control. 3. DSS-P, Intelligent Hydraulic Control. Together, these systems control the car's vertical, lateral, and longitudinal movements, enhancing stability on challenging terrains like snow and mud. Unlike traditional systems, DSS offers a holistic approach to motion control. It reduces the risk of rollovers and enhances overall vehicle stability and handling. The DSS-P system makes its debut in the Yangwang U8, while DSS-A is featured in the Denza N7. Plus, the DSC is available through over-the-air updates for select BYD models. At a global event, BYD demonstrated the Yangwang U9 showcasing its advanced capabilities, including driving on three wheels, solidifying BYD's position as a leader in intelligent vehicle technology. Northern Light 630. The Northern Light 630 is a premium electric bike designed for both city commutes and off-road adventures. It's equipped with a powerful motor and a long-lasting battery, giving you the speed and range to travel far without worrying about recharging. Whether you're navigating through the city or tackling rough trails, this bike ensures a smooth and comfortable ride. Its lightweight yet durable frame makes it easy to handle while staying strong enough to endure tough conditions. The advanced suspension and high-quality tires offer excellent comfort on any terrain, from paved roads to rocky paths. The bike also comes with an intuitive display that shows key information like speed, battery life, and other essential stats at a glance, making it easy to stay in control during your ride. The Northern Light 630 combines performance, reliability, and style, providing a top-tier riding experience. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring the outdoors, this electric bike has you covered. Enjoy the freedom to ride anywhere with the Northern Light 630. Seabob RESCUE. The Seabob RESCUE is an innovative, electrically powered water jet designed for fast and efficient rescue missions. It can glide on the surface of the water and dive down to 40 meters, significantly reducing the physical strain on rescuers. This allows them to focus on their rescue tasks more effectively. Weighing only 34 kilograms and measuring 1.15 meters in length, this compact watercraft is both lightweight and powerful. It can reach speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour, making it ideal for quick response situations. The Seabob RESCUE is stable and highly maneuverable, making it suitable for various water environments, including ditches, canals, lakes, and seawater. Its powerful Li-ion battery provides a cruise time of 60 minutes, even at higher speeds. This ensures that rescuers can deploy quickly during dive rescues and search operations. Not only is this solution environmentally friendly, but it also enhances the efficiency of rescue missions while prioritizing the comfort and safety of the user. Soleolico. Soleolico is a groundbreaking prototype in renewable energy. It combines wind and solar power into one system. This innovative solution, created in Spain, was unveiled in October 2023, marking a significant step forward in sustainable energy generation. What makes Soleolico stand out is its unique integration of photovoltaic panels into the wind turbine blades, called SS blades. These specially designed blades use a patented magnetic guidance system to align perfectly with the wind, ensuring maximum energy capture. After over 10 years of research and more than 30 prototypes, Soleolico has achieved an efficient blend of wind and solar energy production. This system offers the potential for continuous 24/7 clean energy generation, even in changing weather conditions. In addition to producing renewable energy, Soleolico contributes to environmental sustainability, helping to reduce the carbon footprint. Toyota E4Me Concept. The Toyota E4Me Concept is a futuristic self-driving pod designed to offer a personalized travel experience. This unique autonomous vehicle is created to address modern urban transportation challenges, providing comfort and convenience in a compact form. What sets the E4Me apart is its modular interior. Passengers can customize the space to suit their needs, whether it's for work, relaxation, or entertainment. This flexibility allows people to make the most of their time while on the move. Powered by advanced autonomous driving technology, the E4Me navigates safely through busy urban environments. It's designed to operate efficiently, reducing both travel time and its environmental impact. Toyota's focus on intelligent technology ensures a smooth and enjoyable ride. The E4me doesn't just prioritize safety, it also creates a more personalized journey tailored to each user's preferences. As part of Toyota's vision for future mobility, the E4me concept reflects their commitment to eco-friendly solutions, enhancing both convenience and sustainability. Quest Eco by Boat A Home, the ultimate hybrid. Boat A Home has created the Quest Eco, a unique blend of a houseboat and a camping trailer. This compact hybrid is the size of a trailer, making it easy to tow, yet it retains all the comforts of a houseboat. It's designed for adventure, whether you're on the water or on the road. At 7.6 meters long, the Quest Eco offers a cozy kitchen complete with a window, sink, oven, and more. The rear deck is perfect for enjoying the outdoors, and there's an external awning for shade while you sip your favorite drink. With two 40-horsepower motors mounted like those on a regular motorboat, it ensures a smooth ride on the water. This innovative boat-trailer hybrid offers a unique experience of comfort and convenience, starting at $182,000. Whether you're cruising on the lake or parked at a campsite, the Quest Eco provides a flexible, stylish way to enjoy nature in comfort.